Food is ready. I'm on the dining. I'm on the dining. On the dining. So come and eat. The beans is yummy. Guys, it's so sweet. Based on sweet potato. You have to try it. This is yummy. See? This is yummy. This is yummy. And I have my smoothie. So nice. So nice. Some people doesn't like beans, especially ladies. But men like beans. Some prefer to make a beans cake with beans, but porridge beans like this, many people don't like it, especially children too. They don't like it. But depends the way you prepare it. This is delicious. This is delicious. United Arab Emirates, here that we are, especially the Emirates I am here. The sweet potato we used to get here is the one with this orange color like this. They don't have the white sweet potato. The type we have in Nigeria, they don't have that type. Yeah, and this type is too soft. The only thing that this sweet potato is good for is porridge. It will be smashed and make porridge with it. If you want to boil, bake, to eat with it, you will not like it because it's too soft. But when you cook it with beans or make porridge with it with other vegetables, you will like it. If you're among the team that doesn't like beans, try and prepare it this way. Try and put a sweet potato when you are preparing it. Smash it together with the beans. You will like it. And you can add plantain to it also. You can fry plantain and eat with it. You will like beans. Because it's high content of protein. you want to introduce protein to your children, one of the way is for them to learn how to eat beans or any food that is made with beans. Beans is a good protein. Beans, lentils, they are good in protein. Contain magnesium, potassium, enough of minerals, and it's high in protein. So you prepare it the way they will like to eat, to take it. And this, I use red oil. Enough red oil to cook it. So it's very nutritious. Very nutritious and delicious. Okay? Okay. So my husband is here eating with me. I cannot show him now. This is talking mukbang. You know, when you are eating, you're not supposed to talk, but we have talking mukbang. There's some mukbang you'll be talking, and there's some you just have to keep quiet and be eating table manner. But this particular one is talking mukbang. I've not been doing mukbang on my channel. The reason being that I don't want to be talking when eating, and I'm shy. If I'm eating and I'm camera shy when I'm eating. I'm camera shy when I'm eating. But today I decided to cover this one because I'm enjoying these beans. I'm enjoying the beans. I feel my smoothie. This smoothie is calming down the beans. Yeah. You know, at times when you eat beans, at times it can cause reflux acid. It can cause reflux acid, which is commonly known as heartburn. So when you are taking it with something like this to be calming down your system, you will not feel that. If you normally have reflux acid whenever you are eating beans, try and make a smoothie like this and take with you. This smoothie is a combination of honey melon, avocado, banana, milk, and cucumber. This is the combination. It's so refreshing and calming. We're taking it as breakfast and it will keep us for long. I'm okay now. Okay. So thank you for watching. I've watched you this time. Thank you so much. God bless you. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, all those good stuff. Do it to my channel, and God Almighty will bless you greatly in the mighty name of Jesus. See you in the next one. Bye.